and welcome back to We Go East. Today's video is from our recent trip to Kyushu, the third largest and most southern of Japan's 4 main islands. We finished our trip in Kagoshima, an area famous for its active volcanoes, onsen hot springs and rich history. The area was once known as Satsuma, and as the name would suggest, is where the fruit satsumas originate from.
Wow.
Today we are exploring one of Japan's most famous traditional gardens, Sengan-En, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and designated place of scenic beauty. Two of our friends from Hokkaido joined us on this trip, so let's meet the gang.
Beautiful.
Paint me like one of your French girls.
The beautiful gardens of Sengan-En are a place of historical importance. What truly sets these gardens apart from other traditional Japanese gardens is the attention to detail and historical accuracy. For example, brightly coloured koi fish are not historically accurate, and therefore those found in Sengan-En are much darker in colour. One of the garden's most striking features is its use of Sakurajima, one of Japan's most active volcanoes, and the Kagoshima Bay as borrowed scenery. The garden also includes small ponds, streams, a bamboo grove, and its very own shrine.
While exploring the gardens, you may stumble across a building in which you can have a go at Japanese archery, or Kyudo. Naturally, for only 500 yen, we both had to give it a try. Missed it. Call me Legolas. Oh, I'm an actual at this. Oh. Call me Legolas. Oh, I'm an actual at this. Missed it. Number one marksman. Oh, close.
I think that's closer than yours was.
Nah, I don't think so.
Yes, there's nowhere near.
Did you enjoy the archery?
I did, but I'm not very good.
Oh, I don't know about that. You're like the female elf from The Hobbit. Not best film, by a long way. What was that? This thing? Or this here? Oh, it's like a seesaw thing. Is that what it is?
It's the polished brown rice. Strikes once a minute. Oh, the rice goes in there and it polishes it.
So you put your rice in here and it lifts up. Here we go. Oh.
Sugoi.
Sugoi desu ne. Mecha omoshiroi. Or very interesting in English. For only 300 yen, the former Shimadzu Residence is an absolute must-see. It's one of the best surviving examples of a stately home belonging to the Japanese nobility. As such, the Sengan-En residence was used extensively for official state visits in the 19th and 20th centuries. While the residence was built in 1658, the Shimadzu family's history can be clearly traced back to 1196, when the clan was founded. The Shimadzus were fundamental in bringing about the Meiji Restoration, which restored imperial rule to Japan.
Where are we?
We are in the house. This house has been visited, or was visited, by loads of people. Edward the Eighth. Was it Edward the Eighth? It was Edward the Eighth. He visited here in 1922. And now, obviously I've visited here, so I'm sure they'll be writing my name down on the walls. Because I am too. Yeah. Very important.
What do you think of the Japanese architecture?
It's different to what I'm used to. I think I prefer Japanese style architecture. It's a lot more elegant. I enjoy the classic paper walls, obviously, and the tatami. The wind does rattle quite a lot. I can't imagine it'd be too hot in the winter.
Not much furniture in here, is there?
It's quite impressive because the house and the gardens are obviously in the shadow of Sakurajima, Japan's most active volcano. It is in fact erupting today. I don't know if you can see, but there's ash pouring out the sort of side of the cone. He would sleep by 9 PM each evening. It's kind of like me. Or not. And here comes Brendan, Lord of the House. He's kindly agreed to do an interview for us. Brendan.
はい。
あ、
ウィルサン・ブレンダンです。はじめまして。よ
よろしくお願いします。
ろしくお願いします。
このハウスはあなたの家ですか？
はい。私のハウスです。
Excellent, thank you
Not
very
bad.
much. He's a paid actor. He's not really the lord of the house.
Can I get my money now?
Yeah, sure thing. Hang about. What was it we agreed on? 1 yen.
1 yen, that'll do.
1 yen.
Cheers, mate. All right.
The gift store is naturally stocked with many local delicacies. The one particularly catching our eyes was the huge selection of shouchou. Shouchou is a Japanese spirit distilled from wheat and potatoes. Kagoshima is famous for its shouchou consumption, surpassing all other prefectures by some way. The shouchou that Kagoshima natives love the most is made using local sweet potatoes. Of course, when the opportunity arose, we decided to try some.
I like it more with a bit of water. Mizu, it's nice, yeah. Put hair on your chest.
34%。
Oh,
これ
okay.
は3 year 樽にウイスキーみたいな感じ。
He likes it. Whiskey pig, as he refers to it.
Liquor pig.
はい。
Yeah, it's good.
Cheers.
大丈夫。
Kanpai.
Did you try it?
I did.
It's great, that.
The people went to England and they made this one because inspired from London, the whiskey.
芋焼酎でね作り
こ
ましたから。
のこの四角いこれね。
そうそうこれはねだから。
So it's inspired by whiskey. So it's like a mixed culture. Right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is it strong?
It's wine.
7%.
Yeah. Oh, very weak.
It tastes really
Yeah, really.
What are you? Very strong.
With alcohol? No. No. Despite being Swedish.
Ah, yes, the mountain.
I'll have that one.
Not quite looking like that today, though.
No, yeah, classic, isn't it?
All for ale.
Yeah.
And that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with our future videos. We post every Friday at 7 PM Japan time. So we'll see you next week. Bye from us.